So today, you're filming me on the last day of Obama's presidency. So I do feel like we are moving into a new era. And for documentary filmmakers and the news media journalists, this is an important time to realize why you're doing what you're doing, to stand up for factual evidence, the real world, and also understand that that's under attack. And then also come up with new creative ways of reaching the people that have been so pushed into this world where they don't trust facts anymore. Like, how do you talk to them? Why are you doing that? Like, what is it that's driving you to be that afraid or to be that usual? What is it that's driving you to be that angry? And usually it's like fear, or desperation, or, and then, okay, so what are you actually afraid of? Like, don't get angry at them for being angry. That's not very productive if you want to move forward. Find out, what is driving it? I think if you can think about it in terms of how they're seeing the world and try to talk to them on those terms, you might be able to bypass some of their defenses, really. I've always reverted to making a film when I felt kind of helpless to do anything. When Bush declared war on Iraq, I was driving home from work and just feeling so angry and so helpless, and just it flashed on me. I was like, okay, I need to make some kind of documentary about this. And we went around to community colleges and universities, I guess, all around California, and talked to young people about what they thought. The process of doing that felt very cathartic and healing and productive for me. I felt like I was doing something, even though no one saw it, it didn't do anything after that. It was just the process of making a film about what I thought was going on in the world was helpful to me. And I've certainly had moments, especially political upheaval like we've had, of questioning. I mean, should I go back and get a master's in, some kind of, I don't know, economics or something? But then I remember that this is a skill set that I have, and I do feel like it's very important. Storytelling is very important in change, and you need people in policy, and you need science, and you need economists, and you need all those people, but you also need someone to help aggregate what they come up with and tell the story. So it seems a little silly to forego all of my past and my clearly inclination to be drawn into storytelling to think that it's not important. Clearly there's something in that resonates with me, and I think it's just kind of embracing it and realizing how I can use it for something that I think is important in the world.